What's a Sona? I'm a Sona. Sona plays music. I'm gonna play music in the background, really, really quietly. Shh. No one notices. I'm noticing our Malphite switched at the last second to Jarvan, so hopefully he was able to land his masteries, but it looks like he's played Jarvan enough. So he should be fine. He should be fine. It's A-Ramp, by the way. It's not a ranked game or anything. So it's kind of funny because they actually have an okay team if that was going to be real. Jungle, mid, ADC, support, top, yeah. Jungle, support, ADC, top, yeah, alright, maybe. Anyway, I've got the heals. Shaco's got the boxes, which are amazing. They're so evil. Ryze teleports in somewhere, just set up a box. They all land in, they get disrupted, they move aside. That's when Jarvan jumps in with his ultimate. Jhin lays down a couple of shots. Shen goes in and taunts. We have a good team fight comp. I think if we lock them up, I can land a stun if I remember how Sona works, and we'll be okay. What are their threats? Good commander. Knows what the enemy can do, and then knows when they're weak and how to hit them. Ryze can lock up an individual person. Wukong has his ult, which knocks people around him up so he can dash in. It's a good teamfight initiator. Ryze's ultimate is a good teamfight initiator because then they can move Wukong into position. Just Thresh is a good single lock. Xayah is good CC, especially single target burst when you're focusing, but it could be multi-target if you're all in a straight line. And then Kayle has the ultimate, so someone can go in, let's say Wukong, and then he'll be invulnerable. And that will be really good for them. I'm going to start building Morellonomicon because Kayle has a healing ability. Xayah will probably do some kind of lifesteal. Wukong too, so we'll see. Also because the page gives mana regens. Whoop. Oh no, first time Shen. Well, I guess he's learning. Let's go. Come on, squad. Let's go in. Whee! I don't know what my passive is. Target is slow, deals less damage, deals additional damage. Okay. Oh shoot, he went in. Let's get some shields for everybody. Where's that's the fake? Yeah, there it is. Look at them boxes. Beauty. Oh, no. You made a mistake. Where's my burst? Oh, darn. Nope, that's a fake, guys. If it stops moving, it's the fake. I always feel like every time I saw Sona in bot games, I was always, I don't know. I felt like she was very squishy, and I'm feeling that too. I feel like I'm very squishy. Trying to save mana, because, can you shoot him? Meh! Nope. Flash, but she still got the pull on me. Oh well. No. I'm gonna go building more for this. It's a bummer. Wasted the flash there. That's bad. That's really, really bad. What? Who? That's the fake. Oh, I didn't even notice because he was still rooted. Yeah, I don't care. I'm going to try to avoid healing him. It's fake. Oh, there's the real one. Good dash away, though. That was good. What's the range on my Q? Oh, it's pretty far, actually. Cool. That's legit. Whoa, and the range on the heal is far, too. What? It's insane. No, 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 no. They see you, mate. It's fake. Ah, she got me. Alright. Alright. Let's finish towards this more. Good. Looky dat. Well done. Good pickup, squad. You like my heals there? That's where I got all those assists. Jarvan just ruined everyone's kill participation though. Sniffle. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, he did. Oh no. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm dead still. No, Wukong, why? Oh. Well, I laid my heals down and we got one. Yeah, we got one. Yep, there's the invuln. Allowing her to stay there. Cool. GG losers. Alright. I didn't buy anything because I didn't have enough. I want to finish the Marilla Nomicon. Okay. Reduces the cooldown of allowed basic abilities? Really? Wow, that's insane. Alright. We're getting closer to our wonderful team fighting potential. Oh, shoot. I don't have anything. Yeah, no. I'm not wasting it because y'all aren't in. Not doing that. Nah, I wasn't watching. Do 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 do. Ooh, me. We got one. Oh, and he got me. Poop. Oh well. Yeah, no. I'm not wasting an ult just to save someone. I'd rather start a team fight. And alright, that one could have gone better. Probably should have been focusing the tank, but he was the closest one. I didn't want to like step in too far. There you go, a little heal even for the poops. We don't like you, but we'll still heal you. Weep. Hooray! CS score up to 7. Alright. What's the range again? Okay. Hooray! Oh, you crazy! Oh no! Oh, he still got me. He's gonna go oh, good. They got him before he went invisible. That's awesome. And everyone's dying. Go, Jarvan. That was funny. Okay, I should be buying this thing. I don't know why I'm not. I didn't think. Yeah. Still learning and all. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Let's get me some supports. There it is. Yay! See? I am good. Probably KS that, but no, no. You know what? I put the work in for that one. You can eat my farts for all I care. There, guys, take my damage buff. Ooh, nice hit, nice hit. Here it comes. Ooh, fake. Go get it, Shen. Oh, he's not getting it. Okay. You crazy. Nope. No. Live. Good. There it is. Hee. Probably shouldn't have wasted that on him, but I wanted to make sure I didn't die. Because I'm nearing my, what's it called? The damage burst. Oh my god, I got the damage burst from him. I had to flash away from that. That was probably really poor planning on my part again, but hey, you know what? No, let's get him the shield. Oh, I'm pain. Pain. Wow, look at that, he got him. Let's leave, dude. No, we're not going, no. We're not feeding. That's not how this game works. Oh, it's Shaco. Oh, it's absolutely insane. Ah, I missed it. Oh, I finally got taken out. I shouldn't have gone back in, but I did. I'm not buying Redemption because it doesn't seem like a team to step in it, so I'm going to buy something else. Cooldown reduction, definitely better. Oh, it's suggested. Great. Alright, finally buying. That's actually good. Do they have a lot of AP? Rise? Sure. Bless me. Okay. Alright, let's go. We're getting better. Oh, okay. Right, leave that one up. Four-man stun, let's go. Oh, that's the ult. I'm just mashing buttons here, Oh, I got targeted. Alright, we have no focus. They're all really low. Yep. She did that very well. Yeah, this Xayah knows what they're doing. Waiting right for the right moment and then just pouncing in. Yeah, just doing really well. I'm not chasing, buddy. You shouldn't either. Take my shield before you jump into bushes. Bye! Oh my god, she got us all. Where's my heal? Where's my heal? Heal! Yes! There it is! Where is he? Where is there he is? Oh, Shaco! No, he knows which one is the real one. It's the one that's not attacking him. Come on, man. What are you doing? Not even a surprise. Alright. We got Zeke's Convergence. I don't know, Lich Bane? It'll add a lot of damage. I'll buy this. So if I wanted to switch my way to doing, whatchamacallit, Rabadons, Rabadoodles, Rabadingly, I can just switch. That'll be easy. I'm going to activate Zeke's Convergence on our good friend Jin for some extra damage. Give you some heals. Oh no. Yeah, you wouldn't go in on that. You wouldn't go in on that. That's what I thought. Oh no. Got it, go, go. I got rooted. You probably expended too much trying to get her. Probably. For looking at like a general feel for how the game's going. Yeah, good. What do we think? Lich Bane? Be able to pop more damage when I do my ability attack, so I say yes. I'm gonna sell it so I can just buy the Sheen straight up right now. There it is. Cool. No, what are you doing? No. Fucking no. Oh, yeah, thank you for the awesome ultimate. You are welcome. Dumb players. Go ahead and get it. Plus 50 in the chat. GG. Oh! We're not fighting yet. Ult's not ready. What are you doing? Go in. Please don't go in, guys. This is embarrassing. Oh, okay, great, great, great. I miss. That's bad. One. Nope. Running. Running and playing music. Running and playing music. That was what? 2 for 4? Damn. Bad trade. Here they are. Look who's low. They all were. Whee! Can't touch this. Dun, 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 dun. Can't touch this. Oh, boy! Yo, who's on a killing spree? I'm on a killing spree. Oh, shoot, boy. That KS, though. Sorry, I mean, that was my KS. But I'm mashing my keys here. This is all I'm doing. Why is he fighting alone? Because he's a loser. There's the fake. Where is our inhib respawn timer? Soon, isn't it? That's the Xayah ult. She won't dodge me. Oh no. Good. Inhib respawn spoon. Inhib respawn spoon. There it is. Ally inhib has respawned. Oh my god, he went in. Oh my god, he went in. 1. Two. Fine, let's get him. Oh. That was good. Woo! The plays. Sona is really fun. Kind of easy once you get the hang of it. Button mashing.